What if I told you that quitting your 9-to-5 job and making six figures from home isn't just a dream, but a decision? And here's the scary truth. While you're stuck in endless meetings, others are building their financial freedom from their living rooms. In this video, I'll reveal 5 high-paying remote jobs that you can start today, some paying over $100,000 a year. And the best part? No expensive degree required. But stick around till the end, because job 1 is a hidden gold mine that most people completely overlook. The job market is changing fast. The old career paths, corporate offices, long commutes, trading time for money, are dying. Just last year, millions of jobs were automated or outsourced. But at the same time, people are making more money than ever, without ever leaving their homes. The secret? It's remote, high-paying, skill-based jobs. Jobs that companies desperately need, but most people don't even know exist. Let's break them down. Ever wonder why some apps are super easy to use, while others make you want to throw your phone out the window? That's where UX/UI designers come in. They make websites and apps visually appealing and user-friendly. And here's the kicker. Companies are paying huge salaries for this. And no, you don't need to be the next Picasso. If you can tell when a website looks awful, you've got potential. But if design isn't your thing, job number 4 might surprise you. Ever bought something just because an ad convinced you? That's the power of copywriting. Brands need copywriters for their websites, emails, and ads. And they're willing to pay top dollar for writers who know how to make people click buy. And no, writing high school essays doesn't count. Shakespearean analysis won't sell sneakers. But if you'd rather work with numbers than words, job 3 is for you. Companies are drowning in data, but they need smart people to analyze it and turn it into business decisions. No, you don't need to be a math genius. If you can track your monthly expenses, you're halfway there. And speaking of numbers, job 2 is a gold mine if you like managing money. Money runs the world, but most people have no idea how to manage it. That's why financial consultants are in huge demand. Imagine getting paid to tell people not to buy that overpriced latte. Dream job, right? But job 1 is the ultimate cheat code, because AI is creating insane demand for it right now. This is one of the hottest jobs right now, and barely anyone is talking about it. Yes, you get paid to talk to AI all day, and no, it won't steal your job, unless you ignore opportunities like this. The world is changing fast, and people who stay stuck in old career paths will get left behind. These 5 remote jobs are your golden ticket to high income, freedom, and a life on your terms. Now, I want you to take action. Pick one job from this list and commit to learning the skills. Start with free resources, online courses, and networking with people in the field. And if you want more in-depth guides on making money remotely, hit that subscribe button now, because we're just getting started. Or would you rather stay stuck in Zoom meetings that could have been an email? Your financial future is in your hands. The only question is, are you ready to take control?